The worst thing you can do for your aging parents in 2026 is assume a human will always be there to catch them when they fall. It sounds harsh, but here's the embedded truth. The caregiver shortage isn't just a problem anymore. It's a total system collapse. We are short millions of health aides. But while the humans are leaving, something else is moving in. AI isn't just coming to home health, it's already taken over the house. And if you don't understand the invisible caretaker, you're already behind. Most people think of AI and care as a shiny robot holding a tray. Actually, the reality is much more noir. We call this ambient vigilance. Instead of a person sitting in a chair watching your grandpa sleep, we have high-frequency sensors that don't just see movement. They predict a fall before it even happens. By analyzing micro-behavioral gaps, that's a name I give to the tiny changes in how someone walks or even breathes, AI agents can flag a urinary tract infection or a heart spike 48 hours before the patient even feels a symptom. You're probably thinking, isn't that just a fancy alarm?
Here's the thing though, the sensor is just the eyes. The real takeover is happening in the brain of the operation. Most home health aides spend 40% of their time on administrative time sinks, paperwork, manual logs, and scheduling. Instead of a human coordinator spending 10 hours a week matching shifts, an agentic scheduler now does it in 4 seconds. It matches the aide's personality, the patient's language, and the traffic patterns to ensure no one is ever waiting for care. Now, this is where it gets crazy. You might think AI is stealing these jobs, but turns out it's actually rescuing the profession. This is the top of license shift. When AI handles the ambient documentation, literally listening to the visit and writing the medical notes for the doctor, the aide can actually look the patient in the eye. Except there's a catch. We are entering the era of companion robotics. In 2026, the social vacuum of senior care is being filled by machines that can detect loneliness in a person's voice. They don't just remind you to take your pills, they engage in cognitive parkour to keep your brain sharp.
But let's do a negative flip for a second. The danger isn't that the machines are too smart, it's that we've become too reliant on the binary safety net. If the AI makes a mistake, who's liable? The software company, the agency, or the family that installed it? Once you see the liability gap, you can't unsee it. We are trading human intuition for algorithmic precision. It's 10 times more efficient, but it's 0% empathetic. AI is taking over the work of home care, so humans can get back to the care. If you're a business owner in this space, stop looking for more staff and start looking for better agents. Because the agencies that don't automate their time sinks won't just be slower, they'll be extinct. The future of care is a machine that watches and a human that feels. Don't get them mixed up. Peace.